Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have something I've been waiting to see for a long time. This is from Vanbanner. Now Vanbanner is one of the earlier companies that I worked with, and I think that I was one of the first reviewers that they worked with. And so I've had the opportunity, and I'm very thankful to see many of their watches. First of all, I note right off the bat that this is a different case. I know this is an unboxing video, but it was actually a bag. So it would have been an unbagging video, which I don't think is a thing. So here we go. I haven't seen it. I don't know what it is. I'm really excited to see which colorway LV has got for me today. Now this was sent into the channel for free. I haven't been asked to return it. Maybe after the video I will be. Who knows? But I'm really excited to see it. So let's check this out. Oh, that was a letdown. A little bit of a cloth here. All right. We've got it in here. A bit of extra foam. I imagine it's supposed to go on top. I think we're looking at the blue colorway here today. Now, I don't know if this is how it's actually packaged to people or if this is how they send it to a reviewer. So if you've received one, let me know. Is this how it came for you? I will note that it also had a bracelet on the side. I looked at the green colorway initially, and I have to say, oh, this blue is fantastic. I'm not surprised because Vanbanner does color really, really well. Let's peel that sticker off. And there we go. Okay, right off the bat, I have to say, this is a really nice strap. Now, the watch I originally reviewed had a very different strap that added a lot to the length of this. It does have a fairly lengthy lug to lug. Okay, so we are looking at 52.5 or so on the lug to lug. But this new strap is really going to help with that lug to lug wearability. Let's try it on. Well, hey now, that doesn't wear too bad at all. I mean, it definitely has a lot of wrist presence. I'm not going to say it's a small watch. If you've got a 6-inch wrist, this ain't for you. But for me, 8.5-inch wrist, depending on how much Halloween candy I've eaten, it actually suits me really well. I have to say, there's something about that dark case, I think, that really makes it shrink a little bit visually. And compared to the original prototype, I would say that at least in this colorway, it wears a lot better. And this strap is really quite nice. Now I'm on the third to last hole with an 8.5-inch wrist. There's still a number to go if you have a smaller wrist. So I think the strap is sized really well for this size of watch. Now, why don't we try on the bracelet? Okay, here it is on the mesh. Very comfortable, extremely easy to size. I think that is going to be a little bit polarizing, that Lee right there. Vanbanner has never been afraid of branding. I have to tell you, the case is awesome for changing straps because if you slip and you scratch it, not saying that I did, well, it just adds to the look. Let's get this off the wrist and take a closer look. Okay, so we have hacking and we have hand winding. It has a quick set date and a very, very easy to use, robust screw down crown. A typically great Vanbanner bezel. Well, there you go. That is the brand new Vanbanner Lee in blue. It is a real looker. I'm going to wear this for a bit, see how it fits, see how it feels, and then I will do a full review. Probably not coming for a couple weeks as I am heading off to a little bit of a Disney vacation. So, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.